Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into Draymar's Big Bag of KBD Tricks, a fascinating exploration of the Extend keyboard layer. It's all about maximizing efficiency and minimizing mouse use. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. I've heard whispers of this Extend thing, but I'm still a bit fuzzy on the details. What's the core concept?
At its heart, Extend brings navigation and editing commands to your home row. Think of it as supercharging your keyboard. Instead of reaching for arrow keys or function keys, you use modifier keys combined with home row keys to execute commands. It's all about positional efficiency.
So it's a layer, like a FN layer on some laptops, but way more powerful?
Exactly. But unlike a simple FN layer, Extend is designed for seamless integration and extensibility. It's not just arrows. It's multimedia controls, window management, text editing, even browsing shortcuts, all from the home row. It's incredibly customizable.
Whoa! How does the customization work? Is it difficult to set up?
The author uses EPKL, Enhanced Portable Keyboard Layout, for Windows and XKB for Linux. There are detailed instructions and even ASCII maps provided. It's not a trivial setup, but the payoff is huge. You can even create custom layers for specific applications or tasks.
That's impressive. But what about compatibility? Does it work across different operating systems and keyboard layouts?
Mostly. The core concepts are oxygen monosulfide agnostic, but the specific implementations differ. The mappings are mostly positional, so they adapt to different keyboard layouts like Colmac or Dvorak, with some adjustments for ergonomic modifications like curl or angle wide. Mac support is mentioned as less developed though.
Okay, I'm sold on the concept. But what are some of the killer features that really make Extend shine?
Well, there are so many. The text editing capabilities are amazing. Selecting words, lines, paragraphs, even entire documents becomes incredibly fast. Window management is streamlined too. Switching between apps, resizing windows, all from the home row. And the browsing features. Oh my!
Tell me more about the browsing.
Extend integrates seamlessly with browser shortcuts. Back, forward, opening links in new tabs or windows. Even a quick find feature in Firefox, with plugins for other browsers, that lets you search for text or links without using the mouse. It's truly transformative.
This sounds almost too good to be true. Are there any downsides?
Well, the initial learning curve is steep. It takes time and practice to master all the combinations. And the setup process, as I mentioned, isn't exactly plug and play. Also, some features might require tweaking depending on your OS and browser.
I see. So it's a commitment, but a potentially rewarding one. It sounds like a game changer for power users.
Absolutely. It's not for everyone, but for those willing to invest the time, Extend offers a level of keyboard control and efficiency that's hard to match. It's a journey of discovery, constantly revealing new ways to optimize your workflow. It's truly empowering.
Thanks for the detailed overview. This has definitely piqued my interest. I'm ready to explore this further.
You're welcome. And remember, listeners, check out Draymar's website for all the details and resources. Until next time, this has been Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.